Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our previous video, we have discussed about type of filters. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the specific visual label filter. We are going to do practically how we will implement and how we can use different options of visual label filter. So let's start. Let me delete this first. So let's say if this is the basically the filter tab option. You will able to see all the different filters, like filter on this page, filter on all pages. And if I select any visual, then you will able to see visual label filter as well. So let me select any of the graph to see filter on this visual. This automatically come here. Now let's say I can select sales and customer name. Okay, so if you see, I have this list of customer name, and I can increase the size little bit of y-axis. Let's say values, under values, let's say 15 or 20, and similarly for x-axis as well. Also 20. Now I can minimize this one also. Okay, so now let's say I only want to see top 5 customer in that. So this is my filter on this visual. So what I will do, I want to see top 5 customers. So I will click here on sales, and sorry, I will click here on. Okay, so let's say I have this data. Now I want to see only top 5 customers from this. So what I will do, I will click on filter. I will select on customer name, and then if you see, I have different option: basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top n, which I have explained in the last video. Now I want to see only top 5 customers. So what I will do, I will select this option top n. I will click here on top n, and after that, this is my this is the place where I have to decide whether I want to see 5, 10, 8, whatever number I just put here. So in this case, I want to see 5, so that's why I have put 5. Now if you see this option, this is very important: by value. On which value I want to see top 5 customers? So I want to see based on the sales. So what I need to do, I need to drag sales here. So let's say sales is here. I have dragged this, and I will apply now. So see, I have got top 5 customer. So whatever number you want, let's say you want only 3, so you can select 3 and apply filter. Like this, you can select and see. Okay. Now let's say if you want to see bottom 5. So there is option here. Instead of top n, you will select bottom. Not here, here in show items, bottom. So now you will see bottom 5 customer. Okay, or bottom 10, whatever number you will put here, you will able to see that one exactly. So let me select top at this moment, and then okay. Now let's discuss about another subcategory of this filter. So I can clear this, and if you see this basic filtering, so let's see this first. So I will click on basic filtering. Now in basic filtering, I just have option to select. Let's say I want to see only this one, or whatever I want, I can just select. So I have just this option, I can select whatever I want. Let's say I want to from the bottom. So, and one from the middle. So you can just select whatever you want. Okay, and you have option to search also if you want to search a specific name. Let's say whatever, I don't remember any name right now. So you can search here. Okay. Now the third option, third subcategory, let me clear this out, is advanced filtering. So if I click on advanced filtering, I have different options. So let's say first option is content. So contents basically, let's say I have put I'm looking for name who contains A. Apply filter. So I have all these name which is containing A. Now let's say I want that name which is start with, let's say B. So I will select here apply filter. So see, I have all the names come here which is starting from B. So in advanced we have different option. Like I don't want to see blank is not blank, so I can see this one. And whatever, like I don't want to see is empty. So whatever options are available, we can use here. And we also have option to choose two conditions. Let's say I want value start with A, content Z, C. I have this. So whatever criteria I can use here, and accordingly I will get the data in the graph. So if I need to, let's say if I need to create on another visual, so I can use the uh, on another visual as well. So for this one I may have other condition, for this one I may have other condition, so I can choose as per the requirement. So I hope this video would be helpful. In the next video we will talk about the other filter option. Thank you everyone.